So you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Agatha here. As always, for the OGs and for the newcomers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel because we do better things here. We do good things. I show you good styles here. So in this video today, I'm sharing with you guys how I made this coily crochet braid. I made the coils from braiding hair. I didn't bother to share the process of coiling the braiding hair because I believe you can get coils from your braiding store or your extension store, or there are many ways you can coil your extension. But by the way, if you want to see how I coil this particular one, let me know in the description, in the comment section, so I will bring the video up for you guys and I'm going to explain how I did it. I coiled it with the old method of coiling extension. I think that was the first method of coiling extension, by rope and the extension itself. So that's how I did it. I coiled it with rope. I don't know how to explain it. It's like spiral coils. I don't know, you just do like some gap on the extension and draw it or drag it, then it comes together. So that's how I did it. I believe there are so many ways, but if you care, if you want to know how I coil this particular one, if you like this particular course and you don't know how to go about it, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll come and answer you, or I'll bring the video to this place. So I don't think this particular video needs much explanation, as I will be demonstrating with my hands as I'm going. So thank you for watching, or thank you for clicking on my video. Like the video and do all the necessary things you think you can do to support this video. Please, for the sake of God, like my video. It goes a long way. I know I'm putting out a good content out here and I expect you to support it. Please support my video. Let's grow this YouTube channel together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on my video. Don't click out yet. I'm saying thank you for watching, like I'm sending you away. Please, so stay back. There is something coming for you.